Okay, quick question. Have you ever walked into a store or restaurant and felt a stream of air coming from above the doorway? That's not random, and it's definitely not just a fan. It's an air curtain, and it's one of the smartest invisible technologies in buildings today.
An air curtain sits above a doorway and pushes a steady stream of air straight down across the opening. I like to think of it as an invisible door made entirely of air. Here's the fun part, how it actually works. Inside the unit, powerful fans pull air in, speed it up, and push it straight down. Imagine a waterfall, but made of air. When it's sized right, that airflow reaches the floor and keeps indoor and outdoor air from mixing. You can walk right through it. People, carts, deliveries, but it still separates the two environments. Now, explaining airflow with diagrams is helpful, but seeing an air curtain in action is much easier to understand. We've got a classic demo from our archives. Older footage, but it shows how an air curtain works. Watch the doorway. Right now, there's no air curtain, so the bubbles drift straight through. But that's about to change. There, the curtain kicks on and the bubbles slam to a stop. Same test with fog. The air curtain holds it back, keeping it from filling the room. Then it shuts off. The fog pours in and the room disappears.
Simple concept, powerful results. Open doors lose energy, let in heat, cold, and dust. But air curtains keep them out while your door stays open.
Efficiency. Conditioned air stays inside, so your HVAC isn't fighting the outdoors. Comfort. No more hot blasts in summer or cold drafts in winter. Cleanliness. Insects, flies, dust, exhaust. They stay outside where they belong. Convenience. Doors stay open for speed and access without the energy penalty.
Once you know what to look for, you'll start seeing air curtains everywhere.
Helping doors stay open for guests without letting the heat in. Keeping conditioned air inside while customers come and go. Allowing full accessibility at loading docks without losing climate control. And keeping contaminants out of the spaces where it matters most.
Here's something most people don't realize. Air curtains aren't one size fits all.
Door height determines how powerful the unit needs to be. Door width determines the coverage area requiring protection. Nail the height and width together, and you'll size it correctly the first time. That's what separates a real barrier from a weak one.
The right air curtain keeps your energy in, your contaminants out, and your doors open for business.
Find the right one for your space at WeSellAirCurtains.com.